Guys, if you are not yet on this project, you need to jump on this project right away. Bittoken is one promising airdrop project that you shouldn't miss out on. People are already cashing out on this project on a daily basis. Although I know about this project for a while, but I was not just giving it the necessary attention, but I felt it is time to actually, dive into this project and make the most of it. This project, you can mine the points and it will automatically be converted to the Bittoken on 16th of every month, and you can exchange it for USDT, all right, on the P2P section. So now to get started, all you need to do is to locate the link in the description or the comment section of this video. The next thing is to, register with your full name, your email, all right, then select country. Your referral code, of course, must be here. Then you proceed. After, you must have filled in your name, all right, your email. Alright, then here you're going to choose your country. Okay, so now you just click on your country. Then the next thing is to solve this math problem. Alright, so 6 plus 7, that's 13. Alright, you just type and then agreed to the terms and condition, then proceed to sign up. Now a verification code, which is OTP, is going to be sent to your email. Get it and then fill it over there, 3551. all right, so that's it. Then to proceed, the next thing you're going to do is to click on any of these OTP bots. We have the bot 1, then we have the bot 2, all right, and you will chat and receive an ID which you're going to paste over here and then submit. All right, so now the next thing is to click on this first option first. Let's see. You'll be redirected to Telegram. Click on start. All right, so you can see that. So I just received my child ID. You copy it, then return back to that mining section and paste it over here. All right, paste it here, and then you're going to solve this maths. Then you click on submit. So that is just basically how to go. So now you are going to log in. All right, they say email account and solve this math. So you're going to log in. Then you proceed to log in. All right, so check your Telegram bot. Click on token OTP, Bittoken OTP bot 2. All right, after you must have chat with them, then you return back and click on resend OTP. All right, so you click on it. All right, then chat, and then you can return back and then click on resend OTP. All right, so that's just basically how to go about it. So this is it. You copy and then paste it over here, or you just verify. So here we go. Now you're done with your registration process. The next you're going to do is they say connect with us. All right, follow us on social media to stay updated. You're going to join their Telegram channel. So this is their official Telegram channel. You join, return back, and you can see you can claim, confirm, continue mining. Alright, so that is just basically how to go about it. So guys, you need to start this project right away. Alright, there are many social tasks you can perform. You can see the next reward is in 2 hours. This balance you are seeing, alright, which is 10,000 RP, to automatically be converted to the Bittoken for you, alright, on the 16th of every month. And when it's converted to Bittoken, you can now sell the Bittoken in the P2P section. Here are so many tasks you can actually perform, all right, to increase your RP coins. So when you click on this end option here, all right, you're going to find several tasks. So they say complete all of these tasks to earn more points. These are YouTube tasks which are going to earn 10,000 plus of the coins, 10,000. All right, you can see there are several tasks you can actually perform to earn more. You can click on load more tasks. All right, so now when you come over to the wallet section, that is where we are going to get more details about the P2P and the rest. My IP balance, this is the USDT balance, this is the Bittoken, which is the BTT balance. So when your RP coins have been automatically converted to Bittoken, your Bittoken will appear here. All right, then when you use the P2P section, all right, then your USDT is going to appear here. All right, that is, you use the P2P section to convert your Bittoken to USDT, then your USDT is going to appear here. Then you are going to click on withdraw to withdraw it instantly. Now, to be able to use the P2P section, you need to carry out KYC. All right, so Now, to do your KYC, they say allow P2P trading. Complete your KYC verification to access your security peer-to-peer trading with enhanced features. Now, they say why KYC verification? Enhanced security and fraud protection, regulatory compliance, user safety, access to premium trading features. Now, to do your KYC, these are the requirements. You need to one-time processing fees of $1 USDT to be able to carry out P2P. After you must have deposited the $1, you'll be able to complete your KYC. All right, so you click on pay here to do your KYC. I just click on it and it says sufficient balance fund. So the KYC is very seamless and simple. All right, so guys, this is legit because I have seen testimony, you know, from different platforms, from other influencers about this project. All right, and this is really, people are making money from this platform. Now, to be able to do your KYC, now you come over here and click on deposit. All right, to deposit, you know, the amount that is required for KYC. You will need to deposit USDT in order to complete your KYC. All right, so this is the address you're going to copy to make a deposit, and the address is on BEP20, that is Binance chain. All right, ensure that you double check the address before sending. Any deposit below 10 USDT will be lost. So the minimum deposit on Bittoken is 10 USDT. That means to be able to complete the KYC requirement of just $1, you need to deposit 10 USDT on the Bittoken platform. All right, so when you deposit the 10 USDT, you come over here and click on refreshed, and it's going to reflect here. And then the next you're going to do is to go over to the P2P section. All right, and then come over here and then click on this option, you know, pay 1 USDT for KYC, and instantly you are going to get verified. All right, now the remaining balance of 9 USDT can be withdrawn from the platform. Let's say, for example, you want to withdraw, you click on the withdraw option here. All right, so when you click on the withdraw option, the minimum to withdrawal on Bittoken platform is 10 USDT. You can see that over here, 10 USDT. All right, so after you must have made a deposit of the 10 USDT and you have completed your KYC, you will need to hold on and keep mining, you know, the RP, which is the reward points. All right, after you must have accumulated a good amount of the RP, which is the reward point, on the 16th of every month, it's going to automatically get converted. You can see the conversion ratio over here. Your RP is going to automatically get converted to BTT token. All right, so and after it gets converted, the next thing is to use the P2P section. All right, come over to P2P and then place order. You can choose to sell it, you can choose to hold. The current price of BTT on the P2P section is $0.01. and the expected listing price is $0.5, so the choice is yours. You sell your BTT token on the P2P section, and then you'll be able to meet up the minimum withdrawal threshold of $10. Then withdraw your BTT token rewards to have converted to USDT plus your in balance of 9 USDT. All right, so subsequently you continue to mine, all right, and earn more on this platform. Guys, people are cashing out on a daily basis. Bittoken is becoming a monthly cashing point for many influencers, for many miners. Don't joke with this platform, don't joke with this project. Then you can also buy a boat that will be mining faster for you. All right, people are buying boat and it's mining faster for them, and they are using it to cash out. You can see you can buy miner between 1 to 100 USDT. You need to download the app on your mobile device. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on the profile option here. All right, so we come over to the profile, you just click, just scroll down, and you are going to find, you know, the option to download below here. All right, I have already downloaded it and that's why it's not showing. Right, you're going to find it over here. So guys, get started on this project. Don't waste much time. BT token is already spreading and trending. Is one of the most trending airdrop project right now. All right, don't be left behind. Thank you so much guys for staying tuned. Please do well to like and also subscribe to this channel. See you guys in my next video.